Hey everyone, this is Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a snowstorm drive in this 2023 Toyota Camry SE. So, this vehicle has 203 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder and has an 8-speed automatic transmission. So in Dallas, Texas, the weather's super random. Out of the blue, we get this random snowstorm, and I'm driving this vehicle today. So let's just see what it's like to drive this in the snow. It's front-wheel drive, and it's just like, you know, here in Dallas, it's just so random. Like every winter, we get a random snowstorm out of the blue. Yesterday was nothing like this, and then this morning, there's just snow everywhere. And like, it's just really weird driving. It's just like super strange, you know. And yeah, you can literally see like the car struggling to put down get traction because of how thick the snow is and how icy the roads are, and there's like mud everywhere. But it is kind of fun to slide around here and there. So I'm just coincidentally driving this vehicle because my vehicle has summer tires. My M3 has summer tires, so I can't be driving it in the snow. I have this vehicle for like a few days, so I figured I'd just get a video on this. It's like snow's coming down hard. It's probably gonna be 6 to 7 inches. And like literally in Texas, no one really prepares for this because we have 1 or 2 snow days in the year, and when we do, it's wild. The roads are completely slick. There's ice everywhere. Like there was like a big winter freeze in Dallas in 2021 or 2020, I don't remember, but it was bad. I think, yeah, it was 2021 actually. It was bad. Like, it lasted a few days. The power went out across almost all of Dallas. So many people's apartments or houses got ruined. People were stuck. It was bad. It was bad just because there was just no preparation for it. I mean, it doesn't make sense, right? Because like out of the year, you barely get any snow, and then suddenly in 2 days you have to just prepare on the spot. And literally no one in Dallas really has snow tires on their cars because, like, as I said, you're not going to get snow tires for 2 days of the year. It doesn't make any sense. This car, I mean, it's honestly, but this car, honestly, it's not even bad. Like, it's like a pretty base model Camry, basically. Or no, not a, I think the LE's the base. The SE's like a little higher trim. But it's not bad. Like, it drives decently. The transmission's not bad either. You have Apple CarPlay in this. It's not actually on right now. I mean, you have to plug in the cord for that, right? But and the Bluetooth speakers are okay. I mean, there's nothing really great about it. But yeah, off like the line, the car definitely struggles to get some traction. But it is kind of peaceful, gotta say that. Just like a unique experience. Just like the little snow clacking on the windshield. Nice, it's nice, and it's just a nice view of like the snow on the road. Hey, this does have leather seats, but I wish it had heated seats. It doesn't have heated seats, which surprises me. I thought it would. And above this, I think there's like the XLE and XSE. The XSE is like the sporty version of the Camry, which will give you like quad outlet exhausts. You can get red seats in it, and has a V6. Toyota they had the Camry TRD for a while, but it didn't really last because, you know, no one was really looking for a high performance Camry. I mean, Camry, it's a nice car. I mean, it has like these cool exhaust tips, dual outlet, and it has a spoiler and all this stuff, but like there just wasn't a market for a high performance Camry, you know what I mean? Like no one was really looking for that. I mean, yeah, you gotta be like careful when you're like slowing down in the snow. Like just like pump the brakes slowly. If you hit the brakes really fast, they will definitely lock up and you're going to slide and crash into something. It's not a good idea to hit the brakes quickly. So that's why you gotta, you know, be mindful of that. Let's just go look at this vehicle real quick. You can see all this slush on this thing. Yeah, I mean, it's a decent looking car. I actually like the wheels on this SE. The rear legroom's not too bad either. But anyways, just wanted to get a random video. Was driving, I was like, might as well just take out my camera, just record it. But that's about it. Thanks for watching Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more automotive content.